We'll guide you through how you can delete a Chrome extension permanently. So if you found this guide helpful, then please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. So here we are in our Chrome browser. So if you have some unnecessary extensions installed just like this, what you can do is just go to this three dots right here and click on extensions and click on manage extensions. And here you will find all the extensions that you have installed. So if you don't want that, or if you want to temporarily disable that, I'll show you both options. So for example, this tube buddy right here, I don't want to remove this for now. I want to disable it for a temporary period of time. So I click on details, and from here I can temporarily turn it off. So if I go back, it's not removed, but it's turned off. So instead, if we want to remove that completely, here's the remove button. Click on that and click on remove. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can delete the Chrome extension permanently from your Chrome browser. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.